Today I'll show you how to quickly compose and send an email in Zoho Mail. Start by logging in at mail.zoho.com. Once on your dashboard, click the New Mail button at the top left to open a Compose window. In the To field, type your recipient's email. Double check it for accuracy. Add a subject line to summarize your message. Then write your email in the body. Keep it clear and concise. Want to include files? Click the paperclip icon to attach documents or images from your computer. You can also use formatting tools to bold text, add hyperlinks, or highlight key points. Need to copy others? Use CC or BCC as needed. Once everything looks good, click Send and your email is on its way. That's it. Fast, simple and professional.